Hello, Okotoks. Welcome to Pollinator Week. Did you know that Okotoks is now a certified bee city? This means we have committed to protecting bees and other pollinators. So this week we are encouraging you all to get out and make your yards more pollinator friendly. One of the ways you can do this is by trying to reduce the herbicide use when managing weeds and vegetation. Today I'm joined here with Gordon White from the Town of Okotoks Parks Department, who will give us some more information on how the town is trying to reduce the herbicide use. So we see that the town has been using this contraption here to control the weeds around Okotoks. What is this machine?
It is a machine that's been designed specifically to help control weeds, and it uses a combination of steam and hot water to kill the surface as well as penetrate down into the root system for a more effective control.
So why did the town start using the steamer for weed control?
Well, the town has many options in our toolkit for controlling weeds, and including mechanical, which is basically hand pulling or string trimming. We use cultural controls primarily on turf, like aerating and top dressing and fertilizing. We also use torching, which is essentially burning the weeds off. And another unique one that we've employed is the use of biological insects to target the seed head of certain plants, and so the steamer is just another tool in our kit to help us reduce herbicide use.
So to be clear, this steamer does not spray any type of herbicide?
It does not have any chemicals in it whatsoever. It is straight water, and we draw from our non-potable water sources so that we don't put any extra strain on our potable supplies.
I see. So controlling weeds by steam cooking them. Cool. Chemical-free weed control. Breathe easy. It's only steam. Well, will we need multiple applications to get rid of weeds with the steamer?
We will, but our treatments might be further apart than they would if we were using other means like mechanical, for sure. Chemicals, sometimes plants get resistant to that. The steam chemicals won't, or plants won't get resistant to steam treatment, and and it's good to note that no matter what treatment we use, yes, you still have to go back and do it multiple times. So.